Hi everyone, just checking in face to face to see that you're all doing all right. Remind you that you have an exam that's due on Tuesday, so make sure to get that in. And then I want to start off our first week of really delving in to some particular professional ethics cases. We're going to spend the next couple of weeks talking about the ethics of policing, looking at the profession of policing and asking what sort of ethical obligations police may have. As many of you might know, this is a topic that is very much in the news as of late, though it seems, unfortunately, it's been in the news regularly for many years. And, police violence against people, unjustified police violence against people, has been going on for many years, even when it has not been in the news. So it's well worth us taking a look and trying to sort out the circumstances under which it is morally okay for police to use violence and those in which it's not. So you may well know that most recently a Grand Rapids native, Breonna Taylor, she was unfortunately killed by police, I believe about a year ago at this point. Last week, a grand jury declined to indict several of the police officers who shot her. One of them was charged with reckless endangerment, not because he shot and killed Breonna Taylor, but because the shots he fired at her, some of them went into adjoining apartments in her complex. So he was charged with recklessly endangering people in other apartments. And so there's been massive protests against both the killing of Breonna Taylor and against the failure to charge the police with her killing. But there's been lots of people who very much oppose both those protests or the idea that the police did anything wrong in this event. So what I hope that we'll do the next couple weeks is take a look at some of the considerations and some of the reasons that we can see both for and against thinking that the police did something morally wrong in that case, and see if we can come up with a more general theory about just under what circumstances it's morally permissible for police to use violence and even deadly force, and under what circumstances it's not okay. Well, then once we have a theory, we can apply it to particular cases like the one involving Breonna.